Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into this unboxing, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Not finna talk y'all ears off. Let's get straight into this unboxing. That was kind of a slow-mo too. But anyways, man, back at it. Back like I never left. Back at it like a crack at it. You know, and yeah, this another one. Another one. And this came with no box. Hopefully they got the insoles in them. And these was, when they first dropped, these was fucking hype though. This is another GOAT pickup. And whoever KW is, legit check these shoes, man. And bling, blow, burr on the shoes, boy. And these came in fucking phenomenal condition. And they have insoles, 41 points and 42 points in the inside of them. Yeah. What size? Did they ship my right side? Yes, they did. Oh yeah, this was a steal. Way under retail too. Oh man. Okay, man, I'm back. Let me stop. And bling blow bird, man, you have the Sharpie foams, boy. These is fucking, look at the condition they came in though. And I got these for like $120, $130. Look at the condition they came in. Crazy. Look at the bottoms of them, still icy, like barely worn. They just didn't come with a box. I don't give a fuck about a box, bro. Y'all not here for the box, y'all here for the shoes. The shoes. But the box would have been nice to come with, and that's probably the reason why the price was so low, because it didn't have a box. So, you know, shout out to all the people that be fucking their box up, man, you know. Thank you. And we still gonna do the review on the right shoe. Put that over there. Let's get into it. Man, y'all know it's a Foamposite. Y'all probably seen hundreds of reviews on these Sharpie joints, man. I'm just gonna give y'all a quick run over in the on feet, man, so bear with me. Of course, you have that new buck right there with them little holes right there shining through. Standard laces system for the Foamposites. You have the mesh behind the tongue, blue stitching going all the way up to the 1 cent, the 1 cent logo right there. You have metal lace tips right here, and instead of it being like the OG, every line is, I'm guessing, Sharpie then black. Gives it like, I forgot what, it's a college team that ones look just like this. 1 cent logo right here on the heel. Have a little mesh right there. Blue and black pull tab, gang. Black stripes down here. Carbon fiber textured carbon fiber plates. And on the insole of this one, it has 41 points. And on the insole of this one, it has 42 points. Don't get me wrong, was not a big Penny fan when he was playing basketball. I'm sorry. Not a big Penny fan. Don't clap me in the comments. Say, why you get them for? Hey, they dope. You have that stitched in white swoosh right there, man. Same insole as every other Foamposite. You have that sock-like insole, mesh sock-like insole. You have a mesh sock liner. The head number 1 is also in there. I don't know if you can see down that far, but number 1 is also in there. Hold up. Hold up. It says 3 reflections, 41 points, 4 assists, 7 boards, penny number 1, 7 rebounds, 48 minutes, 4 dimes, 4 rips. This is like a whole like the stats. These are all stats. So I'm guessing the other one is stats from another game because it says 42 points. These are all stats from another game in the insole of the shoe. Oh, that was fire. Now I wish I really had, well, this actually came in a pack. So in order to even, yeah, okay, now I see why it didn't come with the box. Because these actually came in a pack with like a penny 1 or something like that, a penny 4. So that's why these came without the box, because you would have to chop the box in half to even send these. So and of course, man, you have the icy bottoms, man. You have the 1 cent logo, that blue going all the way around, icy bottom, man. Carbon fiber plates right there. These is fire, bro. Like, and they stupid clean for the price, man. Under $150. Like, come on now. Anyways, man, finna give you a real quick on feet of these joints, man. Hope you enjoy it. See y'all in a little bit. Gang, gang.
Your cheese up and it's gonna take some work, dog. I had to roll these sleeves up. She know that I don't need her. Nigga, you can keep her. Can't fuck with that little greedy bitch. I'm trying to get my jeans stuff.
I'm trying to get my jeans stuff. Kick my feet up. Niggas be whiffing on the net. When I see them, they freeze up. And I'm so cold, might change the climate. Bars make them boys freeze up. All this ice I'm steady buying turn me to a freezer. Cocaine flow, I'm tryna get my fiends up. All these hundreds and this hammer, I can't hold my jeans up. Remember them days up in that slammer, that shit really means some. When that time in niggas face that brother shit don't mean none. I can see them niggas hating, really that's motivation. Sitting back, I've been patient, now my time I hadn't made it. Fraudulent ass niggas, man, I know them boys been faking. That bitch thought that I need her, really that whole basic. Number 2 told them stand down. Fuck with the gang and it's gonna be a man down. On every nigga standing around. Keep them clips, but we'll sweep his ass down. For that bag, nigga, we don't play around. Have you lost and never found?
Stacking to get my bread up. Fucking hoes, I know my bitch been getting fed up. You best stop playing with my niggas, you could get your head bust. And all my niggas locked away right now, but keep your head up. It's hard, but it's gonna ease up. Work hard and get your cheese up, and it's gonna take some work, dog. I had to roll these sleeves up. She know that I don't need her. Nigga, you can keep her. Can't fuck with that little greedy bitch. I'm trying to get my jeans stuck. I'm on a bigger mission. I gotta stack my dough till it never fold, baby. Look out for my ambition. Soon as I get them whole, I'ma get them sold. They gon' murder for my position. Whatever I tell them goes, know it bust a nose, and they speak on me any different. Pull up and spill a load, we gon' leave them froze. Yeah, I'm on a bigger mission. I gotta stack my dough till it never fold, baby. Look out for my ambition. Soon as I get them whole, I'ma get them sold. They gon' murder for my position. Whatever I tell them goes, know it bust a nose if they speak on me any different. Pull up and spill a load, we gon' leave them froze, yeah. I just been on a mission. Just wanna stack my dough for the sake of my people. My dreams, they wanna kill them. For what reason, I don't know, but I still gotta get it. I did it with no permission. It's cool cause I got a flow, and I know that you feel it. I'm working on being different, and I swear I already know.
Yo, man, so really hope you enjoyed the on feet of these joints, man. Really hope you enjoyed the music that was playing as well, man. And comment down below, man, how y'all like these joints. These is fucking fire, bro. And see, this is why I like the hype train. Cause if these right here, some years back, man, would have been flying, like, for real. Crazy resale price, but the hype on Foamposite is dead. I think it's because they do basic colorways. Like, people don't want to see basic colorways in foams. They like stuff like this. Like, you make a Foamposite where every line or something was like, I won't say every line was something different, but they like the stuff with the prints on there. I know that's personally what I like in foams. Like, some of the ones are decent, but I like ones with like prints and colors and stuff that make it pop out. So man, comment down below, man, how y'all like the on foot, how y'all like the music, man. What y'all think about phones? Do y'all think phones can make a comeback, man? Cause people been sleeping on phones for a long time, been years, man. So yeah, man, that's it for the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.
Out here and I'm going to get them. I send them overnight, yeah, I'm going to get them. I got shooters with me like the Pistons, got rods like we fishing. You run on, we blicking some shit. You